Look at Sarah. Sarah is in her living room. What is she doing? She is moving a plant. Is it a small plant? No, it isn't. It is a big plant. Is it light? No, it is not light. It is very heavy. The plant is in a pot. The pot is blue. Sarah is lifting the heavy blue pot. She wants to put it near the window. Why? Because plants love the sun. She is strong, but the pot is very, very heavy. Sarah is walking slowly. She is carrying the heavy pot. Suddenly, someone is at the door. Who is it? Sarah doesn't know. She is surprised. Are her eyes small? No, her eyes are big. She is startled. Oh no. Because she is surprised, she loses her balance. The pot is slipping. It is moving down. It is falling. Can she catch it? No, she can't. Crash! Oh no, look at the floor. The blue pot is not one piece now. It is many pieces. The pot is broken. Is the floor clean? No, the floor is very dirty. There is dirt on the rug. Is the plant okay? No, the plant is out of the pot. Sarah looks at the mess. Is she happy? No, she is sad. She is frustrated. What a disaster. Sarah goes to the door. She opens it. Who is there? It's Mark. Mark is her neighbor. Look at Mark. Is he wearing pajamas? No, he isn't. He is wearing hiking boots. He has a big green backpack. He looks energetic. He looks happy. But look at Sarah. Is she happy? No, she is embarrassed. She looks at Mark, then she looks at the dirt on the floor. Mark goes into the living room. He sees the broken blue pot. He sees the dark dirt on the rug. He sees the plant on the floor. Sarah points to the mess. She says, I'm sorry, Mark. Look at this mess. Is Mark angry? No, he isn't angry. Is he upset? No. He looks at Sarah and he smiles. He wants to help. Mark is a very good neighbor. He doesn't stay watching. He walks over to the table the plant was on. Then he rolls up his sleeves and is ready to work. He kneels on the floor. He starts to pick up the big pieces of the blue pot. He says, Don't worry, Sarah. I can help you. We can fix this together. Now they are both cleaning and fixing. Sarah has a small broom and a dustpan. She will sweep. Will she sweep fast? No. She will sweep carefully. Mark is holding the green plant. He finds a bucket. He puts the plant into the bucket and attaches the pieces of the vase to the outside of the bucket. Then they clean up the rug and the floor. They work together. Teamwork makes the job easy. The room is clean now. Sarah and Mark stand up. Mark points to the window. They both look outside the window. What is there? Mountains. Big, beautiful mountains. Mark points at Sarah and makes a sign with his fingers. He is walking. He says, Sarah, do you want to go hiking? Do you want to go to the mountains with me on Saturday? He is inviting her on an adventure. Sarah looks at the mountains, then she looks at Mark. Is she sad now? No, she is very excited. She points to herself and then to the mountains and nods her head. She says, Yes, I want to go. I love hiking. They are both smiling. The broken pot was a disaster, but now they have a wonderful plan for the weekend. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed acquiring English through comprehensible input as Sarah and Mark's relationship continues to develop, click the link for the next episode and subscribe to my channel to receive alerts when new videos are released. Thank you.